Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today we just got another project in. This belongs to the boys over at Total Hardcore Canadian Customs. And one of the owners has had this kicking around. He is the gentleman who has the massive Ford collection of the GT500s and Raptor and the sleeper F-150 we've been detailing. So this is the F-150 we are going to be restoring. It was originally his dad's truck, and now it is going to represent their new shop that is being built. By being built, I mean they are just breaking ground with the excavator. Trees are all cleared. So what is the plan for this thing? Well, we have to strip this thing right down to the frame. This frame rail has a little tweak, so we are going to strip the whole body right off of it. Get it down to the frame, have the frame straightened, and then they're going crazy on it. I'm not sure on the color scheme. It's probably going to be a lot of House of Colors paint on this thing. Interior sounds like it's going black with a lot of orange. I believe there's a bunch of orange colors going on the outside of this. He's got his own crazy design for it. The purpose of this truck will be for picking up, hauling, and delivering motorcycles, as they're going to specialize in a lot of custom motorcycle paint, airbrushing, all that kind of stuff. So it currently has a lift kit in it. We have to bring it back to stock, which has the dual shock setup, but he wants it at a stock height for hauling motorcycles. So we get to pull the motor out, the transmission out, the whole interior out, the cab off, the box off, and we have some rust repair to do. Yeah, it's a little rusty, but this side's reasonably straight. Just got a little bit there, so we are on the hunt for the patch panels. Apparently, we can't order them right now. They are non-existent. We'll have to go with a different tailgate. That one's tweaked pretty bad. This side is a little ugly. It's kind of caved right in there. It's rotting there. Starting to rot back here. So we're trying to see if we can get a new box side as opposed to repairing that entire one. It just arrived and we're just officially on the hunt for parts. The cab is definitely rotten here. Hey, look at that. There's money in the hole. That's a quarter. So cab corner and rocker on this side. The floor, it's got a big hole in it. And yes, the rad support. Rad support is completely rotted on both sides. So a new rad support is about $650, $700 here. But a lot of the parts aren't available. We have to do new fenders as well. So we're on the hunt right now, and this is just about to roll in the shop so we can tear it apart right down to nothing. That's a big job. It's a really big job. Oh yes, the fun part is too, the other challenge we have. Sorry, it's a little windy. It has the original 302 5-liter in it. And he didn't like how the manifold is offset a little bit. He wants it right in the middle. So that means we get to strip all of this crap out, get rid of it all. And I believe we get to go to a new style of manifold, which we've never tried before, and a different style of fuel injection. He wants the entire engine compartment completely cleaned up, all this crap gone. There is even talk of, he does not want the plastic fender well panels, he wants metal ones. So finding stuff like this or building it is the challenge right now. Supplies are very, very limited. But oh well. I guess that's what we're doing. So, I thought it was a 96. Turns out it's a 93. Same thing. But the F-150 project is coming off the trailer right now and going in the shop. And it will begin tomorrow. You guys get to see us get real busy now. I know you probably got a few of you wondering, where's the Jimmy? Where's the Jimmy? It's almost ready to pull out the shop. I'm just building a drive shaft for it. Haven't quite finished it yet. But there you go. I just wanted to show you what the Total Hardcore Canadian Custom guys sent us. They are not in the position to do this right now themselves. So we get to help them with everything until their big shop is set up and ready to go. Thanks for the work, you guys. Let's get busy. So it's really rotten. I mean, it's really rotten. We are currently waiting for a phone call to see if we can get any of the patch panels. We've been waiting all day for that phone call, but structurally this is getting questionable. Yes, we can rebuild it all, but would prefer to have the right panels before we take on that part of it or find another cab. So Mr. White is going like mad. Tomorrow the engine will be out. It's got all the interior stripped out. And the F-150 project is going. It's going all right. Apparently there's also talk of doing a ProCharger supercharger on this truck. Seeing how most of his, if not all of his vehicles are either twin turbo or supercharged. But we got to get through the rust first. So that's where we're at, just cutting the rad sport off and moving on to the motor. So we'll keep you updated on this one as it goes. And the next video coming out is the badass 65 Mercedes is on its way. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.